Welcome back to another El Yucateco recipe video. My name is Mike, and if you're looking for a perfect barbecue appetizer, we've got a crowd-pleasing recipe for you today that you don't want to miss. Now let me show you how to put it together. Welcome everyone, and thanks for joining us today. This is a barbecue chicken dip. It is super easy to put together, and here's how you do it. We'll begin with 8 ounces of softened cream cheese in a mixing bowl. Just use a fork and gently go ahead and flatten that out. Next, we're going to be adding in some barbecue sauce. Now, we just did a homemade barbecue sauce recipe. You can check that out in our video library, so we'll be using that today. Or you can just use your favorite barbecue sauce. We'll be using 1/4 cup. Now we'll add 1 tablespoon of your favorite barbecue rub. If you don't have a go-to barbecue rub, I'll be sure to leave a homemade recipe for you down in the description. Now we're really going to kick up the flavor with some El Yucateco Red. We're going to add about 1 ounce. Of course, since this is barbecue chicken dip, you're going to need some chicken. We've got some pulled chicken here from a fresh rotisserie chicken. For this recipe, we'll need about 8 ounces. Then 1/2 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, and give that a good mix to combine all these ingredients together. Go ahead and take your time until you get a nice, smooth consistency. Transfer this into a well-oiled skillet or a casserole dish, whatever you prefer. Because we're putting this on a smoker today, we're going to use a skillet. Last but definitely not least, we're going to cover this with about 1.5 to 2 cups of shredded pepper jack cheese. Whoops, I lied. I forgot. We've got to add some green onion to this for some color and some crunch. I promise, that's it. That's all you're going to need. Now just get that on your grill. Today we're going to be using a pellet smoker at 325 to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 to 35 minutes. Quick note, you can also use an oven if you want to. So 30 to 35 minutes later, once you begin to see bubbling around the edges and everything is well melted, it's time to take this off the cooker and allow it to rest for just a few minutes. Then grab some chips and dig in. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to kick up all your recipes with the King of Flavor, and I'll see you on the next one.